In the first year of the Xianfeng period of the Qing dynasty, the twin brothers Sun Jinfu and Sun Jingyuan were born in the Cuiheng village, Nanlang, Zhongshang, Guangdong Province. In the 11th year of the Tongzhi period, the twin brothers were sent off by the imperial government to Germany to study the printing and dyeing technology, and they settled down here. Later, influenced by Mr. Sun Yat-sen, the founding father of the Republic of China, they devoted themselves to the revolutionary movement. However, they finally moved to Taoyuan County of Taiwan Province in 1949 and settled down there due to historical reasons. It is in Taoyuan County that they created the first printing machine of Taiwan. Engineer Sun, the head of the third generation of the family, carried on the family business and brought improved and optimized printing technology back to the homeland in mainland China to serve local people. From the twin brothers to Engineer Sun and Mr. Huang Qicheng, who invented a new concept printing machine, the family business has gone through a rapid process of development. Mr. Huang Qicheng is the first scientist of the world engaged in researches on the new concept printing machine, the inventor of the first professional new concept printing machine, and the founder of the new concept printing machine industry in the printing business field. He is a rare scientist, a region entrepreneur who transfers invention achievements into market products, and a rare entrepreneur scientist having all the people in mind. These reforms and innovations in the technological process will be written into the history and influence the later generations.
我们不追求规模，只是希望通过企业的有序经营、科技创新，为人类文明贡献力量。
Today, we are setting sail from here, with the effort of 3 generations and the over 1,000 procedures of precise working. We create a choice favored by 500,000 of users from all over the world. Jinfuyuan, created in China, ranking #1 of the world. The new concept printing machine, created in China, starts the new chapter of the printing industry. The achievements in the technology of new concept printing machine clearly indicate the direction for the green and sustainable development of the printing machine industry. Huang Qicheng founded the Guangdong Jinfuyuan Textile Printing Machine Company Limited, an enterprise integrating business, including research and development, manufacturing, marketing, import and export, with the purpose to serve the people with scientific research achievements. Ceaseless pursuit comes from ardent love. The design and research and development team of Jinfuyuan, led by Mr. Huang Qicheng and made up of international elites, are working on the front line day and night. Finally, they conquer the technical problems, including the chain mode of traditional printing machine and the poor precision of locating sleeves. From the semi-automatic design, industrialized design and humanistic design for the elementary printing machine, to the revolutionary breakthrough for innovative and professional new concept printing machine, Jinfuyuan has gone through a road of ceaseless pursuit for science and technology breakthrough. Jinfuyuan new concept printing machine, 100% chainless design, all servo drive and full automatic operation, improves the working efficiency by 30%, which sets free the designer from the restrictions by production technology and process conditions, and enables them to put more attention to the individualized design. The new concept printing machine working efficiently and stably in a more multifunctional and environmental-friendly way, represents the new trend of the printing industry in the future. With all the sparkling achievements, show the exquisite pursuit, the charms of science and technology, and the top-end quality. All these achievements are because of the ceaseless pursuit for perfection and the sparkling wisdom, and explain the strict standard of golden level products. Jinfuyuan, the creator of and leader in the new concept printing machine industry, holds the core technology of printing machine. Jinfuyuan firstly formulates the major 10 standards for the new concept printing machine in the global printing machine industry and produces each printing machine with great care for the purpose of extreme perfection and improving the quality from 99% to 100%. Pre-production standard. The first thing to do is to well control the first step, crucial to the management of mechanical production. That is, the first step of pre-production preparation, and thus leave no hidden quality risk in the production. Production standard. We know that top quality comes from all around the world. Thus, we prefer imported raw materials and core elements. Create the eco-friendly dust-free workshop strictly. Introduce internationally advanced automatic production lines and assemble the same by senior engineers strictly according to international quality standards and assembling procedures. We treat each screw and component carefully and elaborately and test the same before assembling the whole machine. Later, we trial run the machine for 1 week to guarantee zero problem in output products. The customer's trust in the product is sharply their trust in Jinfuyuan. Delivery standard. Our commitments to you will be definitely guaranteed. Operation standard. MSDS operation rules are strictly followed here. Standard of acceptance check. To guarantee satisfactory delivery to the customer, we take strict standard on the acceptance check and will never accept products failing related standards. Standard of use. We promise 100% of product pass rate and 100% of usage rate. Standard of maintenance. Perfect maintenance regulations are available, and we provide 2 years of warranty for the whole machine. Service standard. Quick response is required for customers' demands on troubleshooting. The perfect door-to-door service mechanism. High-tech intelligence standard. Just as what you have imaged. It is a real new concept, high-tech smart printing machine. Besides the normal traditional printing process, it applies also to the new concept printing technology requirements. Standard of cross-industry usage. Just as you wish, it brings infinite possibility to you. In addition to the traditional simple clothing cutting and garment printing, it involves in more printing purposes and modes. As a technology-oriented enterprise, Jinfuyuan builds high quality with the craftsman spirit and wins trust of worldwide partners with the top quality. We have marketing channels all around China and established long-term partnership with a lot of powerful factories. We have expanded our business to more than 50 countries and regions around the world, and occupy the leading status in the export field with our highly cost-effective products. For the purpose of better making researches on the technology of printing machine, Jinfuyuan is planning to prepare a business institute for the researches on the new concept printing machine. It is the respect from an enterprise to the science and the contribution by a brand to the world. it will definitely create another landmark in the printing machine industry. The Business Institute for Researches on the New Concept Printing Machine will definitely become a holy place witnessing the manufacturing technology of the new concept printing machine.
我们希望将新单页印发机技术推向更深更广的领域，与全球喜爱印发文化的人们分享新单页印发机技术的向心传承和创新科技的魅力。
It is the craftsman spirit of Mr. Huang Qicheng, and the craftsman spirit passed down from generation to generation. Jinfuyuan, the creator of and leader in the new concept printing machine industry, holding the core technology of printing machine.